Alright guys, you're all set. Enjoy. Thank you.